You see, the problem with this is I still don't have my pack out drawers. What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. You see, the problem with this is I still don't have my pack out drawers. And I've been having this just sitting on the side of my garage, just collecting dust ever since I got it a couple months ago. And I'm still waiting for my drawers. As many of you too, since I don't have my pack out drawers, I've had a lot of requests to go over my setup on my pack out. I mean, I have the same tools, but it just has a mess right now since I've been working every day. So I just toss tools in. It's a mess. Alright guys, so currently this weighs about, I want to say 160 to 170. Since we don't have an elevator, I take this up the stairs to the 4th floor, and it's not easy. So this is just my lunch pail right here. Probably dirty, I gotta clean it. It's over the weekend right now. If you guys haven't seen my first video I ever put about my pack out, go check it out. Basically a cleaner version of this one because I have a mess right now. Alright guys, so same, I have my socket set right here, metric and standard, and I have a little some of these big ones which are Huskies. It's just a couple, I don't really use them, so I just got them Husky. Bits, some other bits right here. Alright guys, that makes a mess just looking at it. Alright, so one of these trays broke on me the other day. So you can see right here, it broke, so it doesn't want to stay on top. It just goes down on this side. Nothing's organized right here. Tape measure, channel locks, copper cutters, more of them are here. Random screws there, crescent wrench. Teflon, a level, some markers, more crescent wrenches, little level. I barely even use this. Only sometimes in tight little spots. It's handy. Completely. So that's in these 2 trays right here. Let me see if I can tilt this thing. See the mess I got in here? I even have a can in here of my protein I take in the mornings. I don't know if you guys see. Alright, I see I have a mallet. I got a mallet, a couple batteries, hacksaw, my driver. I got my square I haven't used yet. I don't know why I got it. My pipe wrench. Got my knife. Insulation. Other copper cutters. But it's pretty messy compared to the other video. I'm just irritated with this setup already. I already want my drawers. And then this broken tray is I know I could just buy another tray. Cost what, 10 bucks or so, but I don't want to spend no more money on this setup when I know I'm gonna have my drawer pack out soon. Alright, let's take this one. So in this one, I just have random hole saws, sawzall blades, some glasses, more shit here, another level, glue, already empty. You see, it's just empty. Hey guys, I haven't cleaned this. My Hilti banger. I don't know if you guys use this. This comes in clutch. I don't know if you guys use this for concrete. So that's that tray right there. Let me see. Okay, I got a bandsaw with no blade. I have a hammer, 9.0 battery, another hammer. I thought I lost one, so I bought another one. This is new from last video. It's a hole saw set, which I used one of them so far. This is cool. It comes with a couple bits of the pilot on this compartment. Okay, so got that. Some big hole saws right here, 4-inch and 3-inch. With bigger pipe. WD-40. Sometimes you need this. It comes handy. My prior or whatever you want to use it for. Extension for my whole hog. Bit. Random Pro Press copper. I haven't even cleaned this. I just throw everything. If I got scraps of copper, I just throw it in here. There's where I keep some of the screws on these bits, but I don't really use them. Ratchet strap. It's not even complete. I need the other set. That's pretty much it. There's all garbage in here. I have more tools in my truck, which is basically what I've been using. I've been doing a lot of finish, but so a lot of these tools I don't even use. So yeah, I'm just going up the stairs with all this weight for no reason. So yeah, that's pretty much my pack out right here. Nothing has changed. Once I get my drill pack out, I'm gonna have my new setup. I can't wait to show you guys. Hopefully soon. So I wanted to show you guys my setup I have right here. My little setup I got in my garage. Let me show you guys right now. So there's a little setup I have here in the garage. This crate, I have it sideways, and I just got a couple sockets I use for my car, which is not Milwaukee. They're Craftsman, and I've had them for years, so I still kept them around. I just kept them right there. And I got a couple of little bins right here. I had just screws and drywall tap-ins, and then I got my vacuum up there. Hopefully soon I'll get my pack out vacuum so I can install it. That one's already kind of old and doesn't suck up too much anymore. I got a couple copper sticks on the side, but that's pretty much it. Little setup right here. Probably gonna add more. Maybe I'm gonna keep my old pack out, some of my pack out right there on the wall when I have that set up, when I get my new drawers. That's pretty much it, guys. I mean, what can I say? I'm still waiting for my pack out, my drawers. It's so irritating. I have to wait this long, and they're that much back to order. I'm pretty sure thousands of people ordered them, and they're just barely shipping to the guys. So hopefully soon I can get another video for you guys. But thanks for watching. get me to 1,000 subscribers. We are growing slowly but surely, and comment down below what you guys want to watch, what kind of videos, what kind of plumbing videos you want to watch or tools. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.